Welcome to YAHAHA Studio, your ultimate creation platform. Today, we're giving you a quick overview of the interface to help you get started. First, let me introduce Scene Explorer. It's made up of three main parts: the action bar, the environment bar, and the detailed object list. Using the action bar, you can quickly filter or find objects you've already added. If you want to add something new, just click the icon in the top right corner. Super easy. The object list below shows all the objects currently in your scene, and you can organize them by creating parent-child relationships. You can also set up your environment directly in Scene Explorer. Just click the Environment tab at the top, and on the right, you'll find options to tweak details like weather, sunlight, and white balance. By clicking the button at the bottom of the left panel, you can switch to game setting mode. Here, you'll have the tools to configure basic game information and structure, customize player settings, manage items, fine-tune audio settings, handle achievements, and set up a navigation system. For example, in game contents, you can manage the basic settings of your game. When changing the game title background, the selected image will replace the default background displayed behind the game title before the main menu appears. Similarly, the menu background image is the image shown behind the main menu. You can even choose a video as the main menu's background for a more dynamic effect. In the player settings section, you can tweak player actions in detail, such as adjusting the move speed, enabling or disabling the jump feature, and more. Clicking on the top left corner of your project opens the project settings menu. Here, you can save your project, test it by clicking play, and perform regular editing like undo, redo, and copy. The Preferences window lets you customize your YAHAHA Studio experience. You can adjust settings like display quality, camera speed, and increment snapping. You can also integrate an external code editor to improve your scripting and debugging process. Clicking on the scene name will bring up the scenes list, where you can add, sort, delete, or rename scenes. Multiple scenes can exist within the same project, and you can freely transition between different scenes. YAHA offers with its powerful different editors, where you can edit your scenes, terrain, and UI with ease. In the asset box and package sections, you'll find a treasure trove of prefabs, audio files, components, textures, and animations. Need something specific? Use the handy filters or search tools on the left or at the top to find exactly what you're looking for and drop it right into your scene. The bottom action bar allows you to perform basic operations on selected objects, such as grab, move, rotate, scale, and transform. The lighting button toggles environmental lighting on and off, and the gizmo button manages the visibility of toggles. With the terrain tool, you can quickly generate different types of terrain by selecting options like smooth, sharpen, flatten, and bridge. Just click the brush button to switch between different materials and create various terrain effects, or use paint or plants to decorate the landscape. You can also configure the brush size and strength in the lower left corner for more precise control. If your terrain includes water, you can fine-tune details like water level height and wave speed to get the perfect look. YAHA also makes it easy to configure your game's UI. The Help feature can assist you in quickly getting started with YAHAHA Studio. You can play the demo horror game, explore YAHA's highlighted features, watch video tutorials, and dive into developer docs for a complete understanding of the platform. You can also check out all the available shortcut keys here. Visit the support forum and join our Discord to connect with fellow creators. If you encounter any bugs or have suggestions, simply use the Submit Feedback option to let us know. Click on the Asset Library, and you'll discover a carefully curated collection of rich resources we've put together just for you. We've bundled together high-quality, themed assets to make it easier for you to find and use exactly what you need. For example, The Horror Sky Templates pack is loaded with a wide range of sky resources, giving you rich options to create the perfect atmospheric backdrop for your game. If you're looking to make your horror game even more spine-chilling, we've got a whole collection of NPCs to make your game even more terrifying and thrilling. Looking for more assets? Simply type what you need into the search bar, and we'll help you find just the right materials. If you want to test your project, just hit the play button, and it'll start from the game's main menu by default. Want to switch things up? Use the drop-down settings to enable Start from Current Scene to begin right from the spawn point of your current scene. Or select Start here, and the game will start from the current camera position. You can also choose to start from the lobby, but keep in mind that in some game kits, this feature might not be available. I'm sure you now have a good understanding of YAHAHA. Ready to dive in? Go ahead and start creating your very own horror game. Let your imagination run wild.